face. Yeah, I should have put them on the plate. Yeah, cause she say she ain't even ate. Damn. Why you wait? Yeah. Whoa! Shine like the sun. Yeah. Bigger booty, call them buns. Yeah. Okay. I said we don't do this for fun. Bigger booty, call them buns. Yeah. Okay, I'm chilling with my day one. We having fun, but I don't really like to walk. I like to run. My stomach kinda hurts, so I'ma get me some damn Tums. Yeah, go take a booty like, yeah. I'm in the boo-boo. Yeah. This what I do. Yeah. I know you see me. Yeah. Like some seaweed. Yeah. Pickle, dickle, lickle, hickle. Yeah. I look like Pumpernickel.
Are you straight again? Janade, what's up? Show the people your necklace, man. Show them your necklace. They say you're a walking lick, huh?
They say you're a walking lit, huh?
Bro, I can't mess with you, bro.
Now you show them your big toe.
You show me your big toe.
Chase, you show them your head. Shut up, bro. And what
Rap house, steady booming. Yeah. Yo, be tuning. My feet, they moving. Me and my just coolin', yeah. Hey, okay, yeah.
I see you never look.
I network, I make a score. She give me dope, I observe her body.
I observe her body.
Man, just finished conditioning. Tough. It's the only word for it. Now it's time for the ice bath. Gotta get right.
Right.
It's cold. Yeah, we cold.
Hey, don't forget to come away.
Neck froze, wrist froze.
How they going?
Yeah.
Billy Dawson to this thing.
Come on,
bro, shut up. I'm about to flash you. So, what?
Bro, yeah. Again. Hit it, Drake. Hit that Millie, Drake. Yeah, Coach Deck, man, the greatest strength coach in the world, man. Look, I ain't even playing this, and look, you on Trip Talk, man. Look, I had to get you. Ain't nobody got what you got, man. Not at UT, not at Tech, not at none of that, man. Look.
Money.
You know,
Going back to the shoes.
yeah, like going back president. To the shoes.
Young Simba.
Yeah.
Why everybody say B?
Okay, ooh, they disrespecting you, Jared.
You got the new two top.
Hey, Jared, tell him you ain't gonna keep taking this disrespect.
They love to bring me down, but it ain't gonna happen.
It ain't gonna happen. Hey, cause you bold, bomb, and black, yeah. I'm bold, bomb, and black. Did we get a free shirt? And you being recorded, so don't say nothing crazy. Okay.
I have a t-shirt. Hey, I think we're gonna need to go up to the suites and put some shirts up in the suites.
Don't they already get chicken and all that? Oh, look.
Okay. All right, y'all need us on 4.
Come on, little homie.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Yeah,
Come in.
yeah, Drake.
Yeah.
I see space.
Oh,
damn. His nose had to come in here.
Watching out for them folks. You know I'm out here. Don't full of that work. I say,
Oh, baby. What's this, day 6 or 7?
This day 4.
Day 4, okay.
Dang, boy.
Day 4.
Calvin just got a job. Just job. Hey Drake, come holler at me, bro. Come holler at me, bro. Tell him what we at.
The damn Cube camera. I'm gonna call this the Cube camera, my boy Trip.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? We probably gonna link up, do a little excellent trip talk for y'all boys one of these days.
Right now.
But for right now, you know what I'm saying? Going to get this little team meal, you feel me? Little
I'm
chilies.
eating steak.
I had to give me a little steak.
We both eating steak, you feel me? Probably most of us eating steak. We going to Chili's. We're in Houston right now, you know what I'm saying? We got the Marinese over there. We got what else? Donut shop over there, you know what I'm saying? We just living, man. The life of the D1.
We just What's up, baby? It's Trip Talk out here. We live and direct in the H-Town, you feel me?
Yeah.
I'm about to go see Paul Wall.
On the biggest. You know what I mean?
Man, I don't care about that 6'8" big
Can't nobody see you, man.
Big Greg open face.
I know you ain't come big Spud Webb. Let me dunk you, nigga.
Chris Webber, nigga. Get on, bro. I already got on. Look, bro.
Hell yeah.
Stay square, Cole. Come on, Trey. Come on, Trey. Come on, Louis. Come on, Lonnie. Finish. Find a spot on that wall. Feet, Trey. Feet. There you go. Accelerate! We're done. I'm 1503. 1, 2, 3. I'm 15. Yeah!